Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm working on the Citroen C4. Doesn't matter what engine it is in there, to be fair. This fault here that you see on the screen will come up on the middle of the dash, sometimes with a service on the left side in the cluster. And this is the diagnostic, comes up with B1624 supply protection and management unit. If this comes up, it's to do with this here. I would personally do it myself. It's something handy you can dig in, anyone can do it themselves. By an OEM, this whole fuse board at the top. So this is it here. I would recommend buying OEM. Make sure if you do take it off one by one that you put them all back in the same spot. They are known for going and corroding. They do packing. It's this whole thing complete, so I do recommend you buy it complete. Make sure it's not been damaged. It's a case of just plug and play really with a new one on. But that's what it looks like, guys. Once you're on, you've put the new one on, I would personally do a full scan and clear it. There's nothing special, but that fault code, that warning on the system, means this here. And you can buy them on eBay secondhand, but reality is you're best buying a new one. I don't know how much they are, to be fair, I can't lie, but that's where it's to be found, and it's these clips here.